if you want to be regarded as someone who knows French by the French, even if you're still a beginner. It's not the accent or the words that you know that matter. It's about the structure of your sentences. For instance, you need to know that before every noun, you always need an article, like a or the. Unlike in English, so you may forget the article. So in negative sentences, if in English there's a or any or no article, then you put de as a French article in negative sentences. For plural, singular, masculine, feminine, it's de. And you usually only hear the sound of the D in spoken French. J'ai pas de stylo. J'ai pas de stylo. J'ai pas de vélo. Then you can practice it in questions. Tu as pas de stylo? Pourquoi elle a pas de vélo? That's how you sound French, with the right article. That makes the difference. So, if you want to start to make real French sentences straight away, you can check out my new masterclass now with the link in bio.